Hello everyone, this is Wasim and today we will learn enums with data. In our earlier video, we have seen the normal enums type, but today we will look into a special enum type called enums with data in Rust. So Rust provide a special type of enum which can store a data into it, like additional information into it. So if you see circle, in circle we are storing additional data of type float64 and we are assuming that this data will be its radius. Same as for rectangle, these two values will represent the sides of the rectangle, and for triangle, these three will represent the three sides of triangle. And this enum type is of shape, and circle, rectangle and triangle are its variant. And we have used the enum keyword to create this enum like in previous video. So now what we are doing here, like inside enum, we are also capturing some value at the time of creation. So if I go to main function, you will see we are creating a circle enum of type shape and we are passing 5. So this circle will have its type as a circle and also the value which is 5. And same for rectangle. This rectangle will have its type called shape rectangle and it will also have the values of sides like 4 and 6. And same for triangle. This trie will have the type triangle along with the values of the sides. And we are passing these values inside the function area, and this area will calculate the area of these shapes and return it back. So we can print it through these print statements. So now let's move to this area function. So if you see this area function take a input as a type enum, as a type of enum called shape, and it returns a value float64. So usually it takes the shape enum as an input and it returns the area of that shape. And inside match keyword, we are calculating the area of all possible variants. So if you see for circle, rectangle and triangle. But one more thing you can notice, like whatever the value which we have passed here, like 5 and here 4 and 6 and here 3, 4 and 5, we are capturing here inside this match statement, inside this curly braces. So this radius will have this value 5 which we have passed, and we will calculate the radius by pi r square. So we will create the area using the formula pi r square. So 3.14 is the value of pi and the radius is multiplied twice. Same for rectangle, we are capturing these two values 4 and 6 in these two variables called width and height, and we are multiplying it. As we are not using semicolon here, so all these statements are written. So these statements will be taken as a return statement. For triangle, we are calculating the area of triangle by using this formula, and here if you see there is no semicolon, so this statement will be treated as a return statement. So now let's run this, and if you see we are printing area of circle, area of rectangle and area of triangle. So let's assume that if you want to do the same thing in C, then you have to write 3 separate functions to calculate area for circle, rectangle, and triangle. But Rust provides this beautiful way to reduce the number of line of code while development. I'm done here. See you in the next video.